Hello and welcome back to the Gluten-Free Guru channel. My name is Tanya and today we're going to be making a super easy recipe, my grandma's potato salad. So this can take as little as 5 minutes if you already have these leftovers in the fridge. So for this recipe you will need about 1.5 pounds of boiled potatoes cut into cubes, any kind of leftover ham you have or canned ham cut into cubes as well. We have 3/4 cup. We have 1/2 cup of frozen peas, you can also use canned peas, and a boiled egg. Then you will need some cocktail onions. Make sure they're the sour kind, not the sweet kind. Dill pickles, again sour, not sweet. Mayo, we have light mayo, but you can use your preference. And salt and pepper to taste. So all you really need to do is just mix all the ingredients together. Be sure to add the mayo last. I like to cut up my onions in half. I added about 10 cocktail onions and I cut them into 4 just so that they're smaller bite sizes. And now I'm going to do the same with my pickles. Okay, so I added 3 pickles. Now I'm going to mix it all together, make sure it looks evenly spread. If not, if we end up needing more pickles or whatever, you can do so. Last but not least, add your hard-boiled egg. So my egg is a little runny. You probably want yours a little more hard-boiled than mine, but it's still going to add the flavor that we want to the potato salad. Just going to look a little messy. And last, salt and pepper. Make sure you add quite a bit of salt because potatoes really absorb it. So I'm going to mix it and then add more salt. Finally, add your mayo. Remember, a little mayo goes a long way and you can always add more, so start small. And there you have it, my almost potato salad. Definitely great for lunches, or you can also eat it as a complete meal because it has your ham, your vegetables, and everything you really need in it. So enjoy. Grab a bite that has everything. So good. Shouldn't double dip, but I want more. Thank you for watching The Gluten-Free Guru. We hope you enjoyed this video on how to make my grandma's homemade potato salad. If you liked it and want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you.